Shugor naga Khlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim uloong bakilaingot ki bala Shah kem dangshan ha kabaya dei ber kajing Shah peniap Raja Raghuvanshi ki don kti ban pinja ya ki sakhi kini kilaingot ki bala Shah kem kilong utrai jong ka yeng basa ka sonam Raghuvanshi hadien bakalawan phai na Shillong ubala tip kerteng kum Lokendra Singh Tomar security guard ubala tip kum Balwinder bat Shilom James ubadan benta hakakam jakaputa bat ki yang kisem ha endur uloong bawat la ki Pulit kila do ya ki sakhi Henry kila yo ban Shim ya ki lingkot jang ki sakhi balathang bat pha haka forensic bakan pet benia ya ki tei ki tiar balathang uloong ru baki dan ki sakhi baki ne ki tiar balathang kila bandei kapun Henry omdan kinu kidak bakila bandai ka pistol ni ki Ksiar kumta uloong tat hadu ba on wan lam ya kite ki laingot sha Shillong an sala ban Tohkit benya yaki uloong ba arngut na kini layo ya ka transit remand ka bah nyosngi bad ya uway pat ubadang shusha kem na Gwalior ki Pulit kin sapan ka jo ka transit remand uloong ba kini ki laingot kim dan kti ha ka kampanyap Henry ki dan kti ban penjat ya ki sakhi uloong ru baki Pulit kidon ya ki sakhi bakini kidon kti bandra ya ka senduk banbu ya ki Ksiar jong Raja bat kesonam uloong ru bakala bandai bakini kila penja ya ki sakhi ki Kwah Lalot habagi yo I baki don ki Ksiar bat ki Pisa ha ka senduk bat ki sa Shim ya ki Khlem tip baki Pulit ken wat sabut ya ki te ki tiar ha ka bayadei per kejing Tohkit ya ki bahayeng ka sonam Raghuvanshi uba Vivek Sim uloong ba om yo I dak ba kini kila bandon kti lang Henry ya baro kijing Tohkit on sawanra dak SIT hadin balawan phai na Shillong Henry uloong ru balatikna baka sonam bat uraj kushwaha ki don jing yadei ha ka bayadei bat kijing dawa ki bahayeng Raja banle dak narco test ya ka sonam bat uraj uba Vivek Sim uloong banakaliang ki Pulit kila yo lut ya ki sakhi satar kumta omdan kamshu banle narco test but hakaway kalyang ru ka Supreme Court kalakhang banle narco test.
See, they've questioned them about this whole thing, what happened pre and thing. So let the interrogation team come. The statements we'll examine, and then. But there's nothing which is actually suspicious in nature or their link with this whole murder. Nothing is there as such.
So with the new arrest,
but it corroborates a lot of things. Their statements, like say the mother's statement, who spoke to Sonam that time, So all this has to be corroborated and statements recorded and all that. But there's nothing which has surfaced where they have a hand and all that. Nothing is there.
So now, has the motive from love triangle shifted to something new, or what's the reason?
See. There's a love triangle between, there's a relationship between both of them. It is also ascertained that both of them have their own companies. Okay, so they have their own companies. They want to further their own business. So these are the only things which are apparently, which appear to be in the interest to actually get rid of Raja because they want to further their business. They have a relationship. Nothing beyond this has come out. But investigation is, in fact, how many days into investigation? We are still exploring.
So the family of Raja has no purpose for narco test.
See, narco test is only when there's no evidence at all, and narco analysis is actually banned by the Supreme Court. And whatever is revealed during a narco test, it is not admissible in court. It will just give us an idea of, how probably we get a clue or something from there. But that's not evidence in itself, what they say out there. When they have already admitted to the crime, we have done the reconstruction, they have shown us, we have got the evidence in the place of occurrence. I don't see the reason why we should go for narco analysis at this stage.
So just one thing that I wanted to just understand is, in this entire investigation, has there been a clear answer from Raj that he is in love with Sonam and Sonam is in love with Raj. That has it already been stated clearly, or you have just picked up from the phone calls and past?
No. Both actually have admitted to having a relationship.
And they actually spelled it out, their motives, that they wanted to do it
To be together.
See, in so many words, that is the reason why they wanted, they wanted somebody out. I mean, Raja out of this whole scene, because they had a relationship, and they had, because of the customs where they had to agree between the parents and all that, getting married and all that. But so they thought, in their own way of thinking, they thought, okay, better get rid of this person. See, she is 25 years old, this person is over 21, 23 years old and all that. They're young people, and they must have thought that, okay, when we make this conspiracy, it's going to be foolproof. When he threw his body out there, so they thought nobody would find out. Everything worked out fine till the body came out. But the body started coming out, a lot of things started coming out. And then one thing after the other, and then, that's how the whole thing got unraveled. So, like I said, we're exploring if there's anything more to this whole murder. But as of now, these are the things which actually add up. And in case there's anything and all that, we will see.
You said about the business angle. Tomar also has big business. He's a property dealer.
Yes.
So,
Tomar is a building owner.
so there was some enmity between.
That has not. We'll have to get Tomar out here for interrogation. And why did Tomar and Shalom James have to take that thing out? Was it greed? Was it something else?
When they will be produced in Shillong court.
Day after they will be coming. So we hopefully will produce them day after.
We go from that flat itself. Why was it that police didn't raid or didn't inspect the house? Also, does it become a difficult job for you all now that all those evidence were burned?
See, when the assailants and other accused were picked up, they were picked up from different places. It's only when they were brought here that this whole thing was unearthed. It came to light that they had Sonam was staying in this flat in Indore. She had gone to Indore. In fact, we didn't know also which place. There's only other further interrogation, the 8-day interrogation, that we came to know that there was a place. And after the team found out that yes, there was a place, we informed Indore police, and that place was kept on guard and all that. And it's only when the team went back that they found everything was empty. So this thing happened after the 10th. So we came to know only after they were brought here.
So
Yes, destruction of evidence is an offence. Right from the beginning, I said we've got adequate evidence, but see, it makes it very complete. The thing which was in Wesaudong and which had travelled to that flat, it connects the accused to the crime. So this is also a good evidence out there where it connects. So a person who destroys that evidence is actually also implicated out here.
what are the roles?
Nonetheless, we actually have taken debris of all the burnt material from there. Forensic team had come from Madhya Pradesh, and we are sending that to the central forensic. So we'll ascertain what is there. Some pieces are there which are burnt. We are yet to ascertain. Probably it could be a phone also. There is no sign of any pistol or of any jewelry as yet. So once these people are brought here, we'll interrogate and extend the investigation as to where they are disposed of.
So when are they coming to Shillong?
See, we are, today two people have been produced day before, and we got a 7-day remand, a transit remand. One more person from Gwalior was arrested yesterday, and he's been produced today, so we are asking for transit remand for the same.
So can you tell us, Tomar, then James and the security guard, what are their roles in this crime?
I think it's very, very clear that these people have destroyed evidence. Now, destruction of evidence is an offence. This is a vital evidence to the case and all that, whereby the gold of Sonam, the chain of Raja is in that box. So, the items which of the people who are here had reached indoor, and that becomes vital evidence. But these people had destroyed. So destruction of evidence, they are culpable.
So what is their interest in this case? Are they also the main masterminds?
That's being too far-fetched. Only the plausible reason which I can see now is greed. So probably people got greedy, the accused have been arrested, box is still there, so must have thought, let's check what is there, and then they found the cash, jewelry and all that, and they must have taken that. Not knowing that, okay, police will be able to trace the whole thing back. And later realizing that, yes, police will come and, be able to ascertain who is there, these people, all three of them took off. One person took off to Hardwar, another person took off to Bhopal, and the other person to Ashok Nagar. So these people, just from their actions only, it just shows they are guilty and culpable. And we have proof of them taking the box out. So actually they're not involved in the murder per se, but involved in destroying vital evidence. See, it is our endeavor to actually, we have unraveled this case. It is our endeavor to actually build evidence. That's why it is not only the statements or the admission, but it is actually building evidence against those statements, what they are saying. So we are endeavoring that, and hopefully we will charge sheet after the case early.